metatarsal in the toes, right? So these articulations are really important to understand to actually be able to.
Edwin, do some spin demos to show us like a preview of what you're going to teach.
We have 5 turns. So spot turn is a rotation that happens within division of 3 changes of weight. So 1, 2, 3. We call it spot turn because the standing leg, the one that's holding my body, is actually not traveling. 1, 2, 3. We have chaîné turns, which is actually from the French term chain. And those are actually literally technically 2 changes of weight. 1, 2. And then you repeat. But what happens is that you end up in a different spot when you do that. So like in cha-cha, cha-cha-cha, or in bachata, or whatever. So anytime that you collect your feet and you change, that's called chaîné. So stand. In ballroom dancing, there is something we call a 3-step turn. And the 3-step turn is just 3 changes of weight, but it is similar to a chaîné. The difference in a chaîné, you don't have to close the feet. Versus in a 3-4 turn, you actually do. Right? You have also pivot turns. Pivot turns are actually changes of weight that involve half of a rotation. These are only 180 degrees. And the idea is that you maintain your position in the same angle. So if my right is in front of my left, as I change weight, it's still in front of my left. So this is stuff that you're going to see in European style dances because they tend to be linear. So you move a lot. Versus in Latin dances, you very rarely see them. They exist, it's still the same. You also have what we call spins. Spins are rotations that do not change weight. If I start on my right, I do a full rotation, I end up on my right. Spiral is a natural opposite. Spiral is a rotation that happens opposite to the standing leg. So if I'm on my right, I turn to my left, and the result is that it wraps. It's why we call it a spiral. Right? So the ladies do a lot of the spirals. But regardless of which one you use, you still have to dominate the axis. So a lot of ladies, throughout the crossbody lead, they can do a spiral. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, spiral, step 7. And you look speed. You guys are doing same competitions. In competitions, you have to be more specific about it. That's what they're looking for, right? But then if it is assisted, when the lady is doing the spiral, the guy can rotate the hand, and that creates an extra rotation to go forward. Does that make sense? But it all comes from the same base.
Can you do a quadruple or quintuple something?
I don't know if I can do that. So if I go from here,
nice.
There's a lot of rotation. But again, it's all based on the axis. And a lot of the turns, when you're doing a social dance, those are assisted rotations. That means it looks as if the follower is doing it, but in reality it's the leader doing it. The leader creates the energy, the follower is just holding the position. Should you join me to inside turn? So let's say I go 1, 2, 3, and he's going to start the turn. So watch my leg, it's going in place. Right? So try not to move the hand onto the top of the leg. Right? Good. Keep going. That's it. So, in other words, I'm not providing the energy. I'm just holding the step. And he's the one giving the energy. Make sense? So, little by little, you start discovering, okay, there's more efficient ways to do it. But this is the reason why I kept saying to you, like, please repeat after me. Technique is the most efficient way to do something. Doesn't matter what it is. But notice where you are right now. Most of you are on one foot. There is nothing wrong with doing this. But what is this? This is very static. So if you want to finish a dance, this is the way to do it. Right? If you're going to continue dancing, this is better. Right? So it's one of those things that it's also your internal take on it, right? So the best way to progress, in my opinion, is please don't be afraid of mistakes. The mistake teaches us a lot. Now, here is the biggest problem we have. When some mistake happen, and you say, oh, let me do it for my team. Because now you took the whole opportunity to analyze why did not that work. stuff, it's better to know why it didn't work because it will not happen to you. You know what I mean? Thank you guys.